Muffin Tops, welcome back to my channel. For those of you who don't know me, my name is Damali. Welcome back to Smeared Apron. For those of you who have been with me from day one, hey, what up? So today we're gonna be making some shredded Brussels sprouts and also some cauliflower rice. But before we get started, please hit the like button, subscribe, and don't forget to hit the notification bell to receive more notifications from me. So let's get started. First and foremost, we want to clean the Brussels sprouts. So you're gonna take off all of the dead layer skin, cut the Brussels sprouts in half, wash it, and we're gonna put the Brussels sprouts in a blender and shred it. You wanna grab a medium non-stick pan, drizzle a little bit of oil in there. As always, I like to add my tabbouleh base. This time, the tabbouleh base, I only have garlic and green onions. So we're gonna put about a pinch of that into the pan. Mix down around a little bit. Then we're gonna add our Brussels sprouts. Now with my Brussels sprouts, I like to mix up the seasoning. The most important thing when it comes to the Brussels sprouts is the actual flavor and the seasoning. And my secret ingredient, well, not necessarily secret ingredient, is butter. Put butter on everything. So after you put the Brussels sprouts in the pan, you're gonna mix that around a little bit and you're going to add your seasoning. I use salt and pepper, a little bit of cumin, cayenne pepper for some spice, curry powder, and butter. Mix that around a little bit, cover the lid, lower the temperature to about low. Brussels sprouts cook for about 5 to 7 minutes. As you can see, the Brussels sprouts look really, really great, nice and buttery, very, very moist, flavorful. You're gonna love this side. It's one of my favorite side dishes. I often make it quite frequently. Sometimes I eat it by itself. Sometimes I will crack an egg on it. I usually garnish it with a little bit of grated Parmesan and some onion flakes. So moving on to our one of my next favorite sides. Now, rice has always been a part of my family. There was never a meal where there wasn't rice involved. And if there wasn't rice involved, it was sort of like, oh my God, what's going on? What happened? So what we're gonna do here is you're gonna wash the cauliflower, let it dry, then you're gonna put it in a blender and you're gonna blend it, but you wanna lightly blend it. You don't wanna blend it too fine. You wanna still keep some of the kernels in the cauliflower to give it that nice texture. We're gonna add 3 diced carrots, and we're also gonna add some fava beans. It's gonna be great. Back to the stove. Under medium, you're gonna add some of the tabbouleh mix as a base. Like I said, this tabbouleh mix has some garlic and green onions. We're gonna mix down around a little bit. Then we're gonna add the diced carrots, mix it around a little bit, cook that for about a couple of minutes. After that, we're gonna add our fava beans. We're gonna cook that for a few minutes. After that, we're going to add our cauliflower rice. Once we've added the cauliflower, you're gonna mix that a little bit. Now we're gonna go into our seasoning. We're gonna add about half a teaspoon of paprika, turmeric, thyme, and of course, salt and pepper to taste. Then we're gonna drizzle a little bit of water in there. We're gonna add some butter, about a stick of butter. Mix that around a little bit. Then we're going to cover the lid and cook that for about 5 to 10 minutes. As you can see here, I uncover the lid. You can see that the cauliflower rice is really nice and tender here. Very nice, very buttery looking, wonderful, so yummy. So there you have it, folks. These are my 2 favorite sides. Give these sides a try. Comment below in the section. Let me know what you think. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment, and hit the notification bell so you can get more notifications from me. Thanks for watching, Muffin Tops. I'll see you next time. Bye.